GoPro makes the best action cameras around, but with the 4 models ranging in price from $200 to $400, choosing the best one is not so simple. All of the GoPro's cameras are water resistant and can shoot 4K video, but there are some significant differences between them. In this video, we will try to help you out to choose the best GoPro camera for you. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. The best GoPro camera under $200. The GoPro Hero 7 Silver is the best GoPro camera if you're looking to spend less than $200 on an action cam but still want good quality video. Like the pricier GoPros, the Hero 7 Silver has video stabilization, but it is not as effective as the costlier ones. There is also no front-facing display, so you will have to rely on the rear display to know how much recording time you have left and how much juice is left in the battery. The Hero 7 Silver can take the 4K video, but you are limited to 30 FPS, which truthfully won't be a big deal for most users. But the camera is waterproof to 33 feet and can take time-lapse videos and be controlled by voice. You can buy this camera because it is inexpensive and can take 4K video. You can avoid this for 2 reasons, that is, the stabilization is not so good and there is no front display provided. Links are given in the description, you can check the price there and buy it from there. GoPro Hero Max, the best GoPro camera for 360-degree video. Unlike most 360-degree cameras, the GoPro Hero Max has a small display on its back that lets you view what its cameras are looking at. While it is not as handy as it seems, the large display does make it easy to navigate and change the max settings without having to use your smartphone. The GoPro Hero Max also has a hyper smooth stabilization feature, so your bumpy video will look nice and smooth. And the image quality from the camera ranges up to the maximum resolution of 5.6K per 30 FPS, and it lives up to the GoPro's typical high standards. Plus, the GoPro's app is loaded with the features including the ability to live stream video from the Max. However, the GoPro Hero Max design requires the use of a selfie stick and lacks a tripod mount, so you have to use it with one of the GoPro's accessories. You can buy this camera for its excellent video quality, motion smoothing and intuitive menus. The disappointments are, it needs a tripod which will cost you extra money, and it is also a bit expensive. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. GoPro Hero 7 Black, the best mid-range GoPro camera. GoPro's Hero 7 Black was the first GoPro's action camera to include the ability to record 4K video at 60 FPS. Like earlier models, it's waterproof to 33 feet and has a rear 2-inch color touchscreen LCD and voice control. While it is not effective as the Hero 8, the Hero 7's image stabilization is still excellent. Plus, it can live stream to Facebook using the GoPro app. Because of its older design, the Hero 7 Black needs to be inserted into a case of some kind if you want to mount it on anything. Now that the Hero 8 is on the market, GoPro has discontinued the Hero 7 Black, and this is a good opportunity and you may be able to find even better deals on the camera through online retailers. You can buy this camera because it shoots impressively smooth video, improved touch controls on viewfinder, and it has sharp 4K video quality. The disappointments are, live streaming could use some tweaks and still images from this camera can be hit or miss. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. GoPro Hero 8 Black, the best GoPro camera overall. Not surprisingly, the Hero 8 Black is the best GoPro camera overall, and it has also topped the list of best action cameras of 2020, and even you can buy it for 2021. Unlike previous models, the GoPro Hero 8 has its mounting fingers built directly into the camera, which makes it a bit easier to attach accessories. You no longer need to use a case if you want to attach it to accessory such as a tripod or helmet mount. Unfortunately, it also means that cases and lens adapters you had for older GoPros won't work with this model. The redesign also allows for new add-ons mods, which increases the functionality of the camera through external mics, lights, and more. GoPro has improved the motion stabilization to make the footage from the Hero 8 Black the smoothest that you have ever seen on an action camera, and the overall quality remains as great as ever. The Hero 8 Black has also been updated to work as a webcam, and its Hyper Smooth 2.0 video stabilization works with more video settings. Buy this camera for its much improved audio quality, sleeker accessory mounting system, and the media modes adds more functionality to this camera. The disappointments are battery door is awkward to close and the lens is no longer removable. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So these are the best GoPro action cameras that you can buy from the price ranges of $200 to $500. If you have any other best action camera in your mind, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.